Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing a really simple chicken and broccoli fried rice. I'm keeping this one as simple as I can, but it is still absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to use. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using. So I've got some rice there, cooked rice. I'm using the basmati rice. What's important when you make fried rice is that it's cold. If you've got warm or hot rice, doesn't work out so well. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. There's like 1.5 kind of size, decent chicken breast there. Cut that nice and thin. My broccoli, again, I've cut it, very thin. Onion. I'm using white steak, I'm using red or brown, up to you. And you can see the quantities there, because these containers are the same, so you can see. Some black pepper, some sesame oil, nice nutty toasted sesame oil. And then some chopped garlic and some chopped ginger. That's about it. Really easy, this one. So, we're gonna need a wok or a frying pan or something like that. We're getting that nice and warm. We're gonna drop in that sesame oil, and to that we're going to add that garlic and ginger. And just for a few seconds, let the garlic and ginger do its thing. Don't skip this stage, because it really does make a big difference. Lovely. Now, that onion. Cut that nice and thin. Then we're going to go with our chicken. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Again, cut nice and thin. To that, we're going to add some black pepper. And everything we're doing is on a really high heat. So keep it moving. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Wonderful. Chicken's changing colour. And it's now that we're going to introduce our broccoli. And like I say again, I've cut this nice and thin. And we're going to go again, staying on this maximum heat for another 3 minutes. This is coming along really nicely. Now we're going to add some salt. Now you can either add just salt, or if you want some soy sauce. The soy sauce will change the colour of everything pretty much, but your choice. I'm going to go for today just some salt. Keeping it nice and clean and simple, this one. Now we're ready for our rice. Like I say, cold rice, cooked. I'm using basmati, and what's very important now is to actually fry the rice. So we're going to go for about 4, 5, 6 minutes maximum heat. Keep it moving. If I get a little bit of kind of brownness or blackening even on the rice, I'm really happy. I really do want to fry this. I just want you to hear that sound. That's what you want. That is the rice actually frying. Okay, off goes the heat. For me, this is done. If you wanted, you could be putting some fresh chili in there, some green onions. You could even beat a couple of eggs if you want, and then make a space here. Drop the beaten egg in, cook it there, then mix it in. I'm keeping this really nice and simple today. Super happy with that. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.